Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video let's edit our photo with VN to get a good or better result for our photo. You just need to open your VN application on your phone, and the next thing you need to do is just tap into this plus button right here to create a new project. And if you still have no photo, just go tap into this photo and you just need to find the photo that you want to edit. Right after you're done, go take a look on this button feature. There could be several options that you can use. There could be a filter, adjust, text, sticker, and so on and so on. So to get a faster, better result, just tap into the filter because you can get a lot of options to make your photo look better. There could be a redraw if you want. So it could be like have a retro touch for your picture, even your camera is in a modern camera. Right after you're done, just go tap in this checklist button and then you can just tap save, and this will be saved into your photo library. You can check right away. So that's for this tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.